Friends, today we will discuss the first chapter of biology for class 9, that is the fundamental unit of life. The fundamental unit of life. The fundamental unit of life is the cell. It was Robert Hooke, 1665, first saw a cell while he was examining thin slice of cork. We get cork from the bark of the tree. When he viewed, he saw that there are so many honeycomb-like structures, and for these structures he coined the term cell. That's why cell is defined as the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is basic structural and functional unit of life. All organisms are made up of cell or cells. Those organisms which are made up of single cell are termed as unicellular, and those which are formed by many cells or more than one cell are termed as multicellular. The example of unicellular organisms are many. For example, amoeba, bacteria, Eugenia, and many more. Many more. We are multicellular. We are multicellular. Goat, cow, horse, dog, rat, butterfly, cockroaches, these all are multicellular. But here are some examples which are unicellular. Firstly, as cell is defined, basic structural and functional unit of life. Why it is termed as so? Because all organisms are made up of either single cell or many cells. There are two types of organisms. One is prokaryotes and another is eukaryotes. Before we proceed further, we will see one more thing. That is, all cells possess these three basic fundamental characteristics. These are, first is cell membrane, then the inside cell membrane there is a fluid-like structure, and this is termed as cytoplasm. And generally in the center of the cell is the nucleus. चाहे वो कोई भी सेल हो, उनमें ये तीनों स्ट्रक्चर्स जरूर पाए जाएंगे जनरली. Now, as I have told you that we will discuss about prokaryotes, or you may say prokaryotic cells. These are always single cell. These may be always, that is, unicellular. And second thing is, nucleus not well defined. इसका न्यूक्लियस वेल डिफाइंड नहीं होता है. Nucleus is not surrounded by any nuclear membrane. Another point is single chromosome. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell, but it contains only single chromosome. Its another characteristic is membrane bound, यानी झिल्ली से घिरा हुआ structures are absent. I have told you always it will be single cell or unicellular. Second thing, nucleus not well defined. Third is single chromosome, and fourth is membrane bound structures are absent in prokaryotic cells. You may ask, what are the examples of prokaryotic cell? Again, I will say you. Its examples are, remember it, first is bacteria, second is blue-green algae, and third is PPLO. Blue-green algae is also known as cyanobacteria. Blue-green algae is also known as cyanobacteria. And PPLO, its full form is pleuro pneumonia like organisms. There are three examples I have given. First is bacteria, second is blue-green algae, and third is PPLO, pleuro like organism. Its full form is. It is also known as PPLO, pleuro like organism, is also known as mycoplasma. It is also known as mycoplasma. I am giving you some homework. First question is, define a cell. Define a cell. Who discovered cell? Who discovered cell? And second question, difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Okay.